The Molex OneBlade 1mm pitch wire-to-board connector system with friction lock and spacious pick-and-place area combines design simplicity with speed and ease of assembly. The friction lock provides better mating retention of header and harness. This Molex OneBlade connector system offers a single connector housing that can be used interchangeably as a vertical or right-angle header, thereby simplifying parts inventory management. Additionally, a dual-point contact design provides secure electrical contact and reliability. Finally, the dual-function solder tab serves as both fitting nail and solder tail in a single part, in doing so, minimizing the number of loose parts serving each function. Ideal markets include home appliance, consumer, data centers, and connected homes. Applications include washing machines, air conditioners, and vacuum cleaners, desktop computers, servers and routers, and smart speakers.